overcome it and get back to where they were.
It's kind of like what's next, and that's kind of, what you touched on. For me, it's like when that didn't work out, I was getting a bunch of calls after, whatever it may be, but it was like, dude, I did this my entire life. I gave everything I had to this sport, to this game. And, to play at the level I did, I was sitting with Major League Scouts, every day after practice, going over, what's what, how the process is, whatever it may be. And, if they wanted to, pull the plug with me. So, just realizing and understanding that and going through that, for me, it was like, when it didn't happen, it didn't happen. For me, it was no excuses. I didn't blame anybody else. He's, his fault, not his fault, whatever it may be. Like, it didn't happen. Like, I don't care. It's no excuses. Like, what's next for me?
And maybe it was meant to be this,
Well, yeah, whatever it may have been. I had so many, things I wanted to accomplish and, passions that I wanted to pursue. But, when it didn't happen, and I was getting those calls after, it's like, you guys have seen me, man. You got, like, what else do I need to prove? Or, am I going to spend another 2-5 years, and hopefully if I were to try out and go through with it, or go independent ball, play professionally independent ball, like, no. So for me, it was like, it didn't happen. I don't need to prove myself. You guys have seen me. It's more of like, what's next, and what are we gonna do, and what am I gonna win at now?
Dude, on the drive over here, it's pretty funny. We're talking about selling and building an agency and the integrity opportunity, and like comparing it to like athletes that everyone knows you like watch on TV. And it was crazy to think like, if you sell enough and you build enough and then you have the integrity opportunity, like within FFL, we have some like LeBron James, we have some Drakes, we have some, Kobe, Derek Jeter, all those.
That's the other crazy part with the integrity.
I mean, the fact that like Dave Wichard's bonus, his bonus with FFL alone is $80,000 a month, right? That's just his bonus. Like, dude, there's some people in here making professional athlete money.
Yeah. And then you can look at it at the other spectrum. If I was signing, I was a senior, man. I was getting nothing, no signing bonus. Now you're stuck in the minor league system. Most people don't realize that either. You got, extended season. You got, rookie, high A, low A, double A, triple A. You're making less than minimum wage. And that has nothing to,
We figured that you're making basically, and like until you make it to the major leagues of any sport, whatever you could sell one policy for here a month would be what most of those guys are making in a whole entire month of work.
Now, don't get me wrong. If that happened, I was playing. That's the type of obviously that's the person I am. That's what I spent my life,
Yeah.